Continuing our coverage discussions on various hazards that are not normally thought of in property cover, we'd like to discuss with you a little bit about mechanical and equipment breakdown coverage. Mary, we have situations occur from time to time where, due to lightning or interruption of power, causes damage to various equipment around a home, especially if they have a swimming pool and they have large pumps, etc. How can this be covered?
You can add a coverage called mechanical breakdown or equipment breakdown. It's an additional premium. It's fairly inexpensive, $200 to $300 a year, depending on the size of the home. It's not available with all insurance companies at this time.
With the higher value homes, however, you have more toys.
Correct.
And you need this coverage. So that would force you into markets like
Chubb, Fireman's Fund, both have that coverage available.
Does ACE carry that?
They will offer it in the future.
I see. But your standard policy that you are going to find advertised on TV probably doesn't offer that.
Correct.
When we talk about equipment breakdown, I'm assuming we would be including air conditioning, swimming pool pumps. We've discussed sump pumps.
Right.
Give me a feel, what else would be covered under that?
Electrical power panels, central vacuum systems.
Furnaces?
Correct, furnaces. I had a client with the flood who didn't have flood insurance. Her furnace was in her basement and she had damage to the furnace. And because she had equipment breakdown, her policy, they paid for the full amount to have it replaced.
Right. Well, we've discussed the personal line side of this, but certainly mechanical breakdown is an exposure that would affect a commercial building as well. In that world, I'm told that some business owner package policies may include some coverage for mechanical breakdown, but usually that's limited, and then you would say, gee, we may want to extend this and buy additional coverage. That can be bought on a separate policy form. You can include or make it as broad or as limited as you might want. If it's a restaurant, of course, you've got other issues that are affected by mechanical breakdown, such as if lightning struck or power was restricted and your freezers or refrigeration units were shut down, you could have food spoilage, and with a restaurant that could be quite expensive.
Right.
Is that an issue in homes as well?
Yes, it is, and you would have some coverage for that too.
Of course, there your loss is probably not going to be quite as great. Well, Mary, appreciate you discussing mechanical breakdown with us, and hopefully our listeners will benefit from this.
Thanks.